Okay, everybody, I'm really excited to be able to show this off here. I got another product here from Campark. Look right to Larry B. I love it. Got this through Walmart. It is the Campark AC13 digital camcorder. Records in 40K resolution videos with 30 FPS. The megapixels it takes with photos is 42 megapixels. Has a 3-inch screen that can rotate at 270 degrees. It comes with 2 rechargeable batteries at 1500. I forget what that stands for. The mAh. Is it milliamps per hour? I don't know. Not that smart. Then it has remote operation at 2.4 gigs wireless. It can also function as a webcam, and it's got 18x digital zoom. Now, of course, these have digital zooms because they don't have the big zoom lens like your regular cameras, the opticals. But digital's pretty good. That means it's like your camera, not your camera, but your camera on your phone. So that all has digital. We open this puppy up again from Walmart. Pop this puppy open. I get excited whenever I get new toys. I don't know about you, but oh, look at all that. That whole box for this guy. Look at the size. That's pretty funny. But I get excited for new toys. Really enjoy it. I like to play around with stuff. That is, like I said, the AC13 4K Ultra HD handheld camcorder. Just look to see if it has the company name on there. I bet it's inside though. Let me readjust this camera real quick. I'm not liking my angle so far. I keep going out of frame. Not a fan of that. Put this on a tripod, right? So you don't have to hold it. And sometimes the tripod is completely out of the thing. Do one more adjustment. I think that'll be better. As you have, we have it zoomed out because I want you to be able to see everything. Pop this puppy open. Instruction manual. Love that. Well, there's the remote. See, when it said 2.4 gig wireless, I thought it was going to be an app on your phone. It's not. It's actually one. Oh, batteries. Guarantee it's the batteries. One thing I love about this company, I get a lot of products to this company, and there's a big reason why. If you find a good company that hooks you up, you stay with them. There's one battery. This company really stands by their products. Second battery. They typically have an email listed on every single thing. Type-C. It's a Type-C connector with a regular, what are they called? USB. Everything's Type-C nowadays. So that's kind of cool. This company typically has, look at that, it's got a carrying case. The customer support listed right on everything. You don't have to search for it. And I've had to contact them before about a trail camera, and they get right on it. It was me being a goofball. I was charging the wrong way. Sometimes you have multiple charge ports. Look at that. That looks like a nice camera. Good size and everything. I'll have to adjust this, of course, because I got big hands. Love the screen. Oh, that goes the whole way across. Don't keep going though. That's pretty awesome, and it goes only that far. Yeah, now that I'm thinking of it, I'll take this protector off right now. I don't need that on. I always forget those. Ooh, comes with a lens cover too. Some don't. I've got one before. Didn't have a lens cover. It's interesting, right? You'd think it all have to have that. So I'm going off camera for a second. Popping it open and checking it. wonder if it's got internal stuff. Because typically that would be where your SD card would go in. Pop that puppy open and see what that is. Oh, look at this, see? That's what I was looking for. Ooh, that was an eject. It almost hit me in the eyeball. So be careful. You won't have an issue getting that out. Again, like I said, this company gives you stuff all the time. That's an SD card, or well, that brand. This company typically gives you everything. Whenever you're inserting these puppies, you always want to make sure you have it in the right way. You don't want to jam that in. But you can't go wrong with that. How cool is that, right? How many companies give you stuff like that? How many companies do you get things for? There's your battery. And they're like, oh, SD card not included. Look, I love that. A lot of their things has that little welcome screen. It's kind of cute. So to put that, let's take that lens cap off. How well you can see it. So yeah, it's got the 4K up right now. I'm trying to adjust. Give you a good view. A touch. I don't think it's touch. So you have side buttons right there. And you just have to use the side buttons to get through. So that's really cool. It's good at video resolution. No, it's already at 4K. Recording sound. What does that mean? Yeah, I'm hitting wrong buttons. I'll play later. But the important part is for you guys to see what's in there, right? But it's got all kinds of bells and whistles over there. See. Yeah, I'm definitely going to have to adjust that strap. Because my hands are huge. Look, almost adjusted it right off. Keep a hold on that puppy when you go to adjust it. Let's go there. Because, there you go. So this button right here does record. Oh, seeing us. It's got a microphone port too. That's interesting. I just look, you're not on camera. I feel like I'm doing this in a mirror or whatever. But yeah, it's got a microphone port, and there's your charge port right there. Oh no, sorry. That actually, I guess that could be your charge port, but that could also get your media off here. But your SD card. Never mind. Forget what I'm saying. Anyways, I'm going to take some videos and some pictures and let you guys see. But look how nice that looks. That's a nice looking camera. Zoom and everything and all that stuff. Picture take. Just have to read the instructions. Set this puppy up here real quick. I like to show one shot of what you get in the box when you get one of these things. So I just want everybody to see. I'm even going to pop that memory card out because see it all, right? Give you a nice little display of that guy. You don't get the knife. Knife is not included. I think I do that joke a lot. Anyways, this is everything you get when you get the AC13 Campark digital camcorder. Get so many different things. Love it. ADHD kicking in and all my focus or whatever. I wanted to show you something real quick. What you get with this actually. It's always fun trying to work this stuff while having the camera on, right? Let's see. What was I going for? The modes. Distraction much? I think it's modes. So yeah, it's fun when you haven't played with anything that much. Oh, there. Wanted to show you that. So look, it's got video, it's got slow motion, got time lapse. Here's your photos, auto, drama shot, timed, and playback. That's pretty cool right there. I think the slow motion will be kind of cool, especially with the FPS rating. Just have to check that out. But I mean, that's some settings right there. That's pretty cool. Hi, I think I'm done now. So I think I'm recording. But it's the quality here. Let's zoom in. I think there's a baby fox right over there. Let's see if I can get him. Hey, he's not there. They have baby foxes right there anyways. So that's our zoom right there for that guy. So I like to record out this area because I'll show you. And we'll take you around. Look at all the open space. It's funny, I keep forgetting to take the lens cover off. And this rotating screen is really nice. I'm actually not even holding it by the hand strap. Might come off a little funny, but I wanted to see if I could get a better angle this way. And how the volume's sounding here. Again, it has a microphone port that you could easily go to. That's your digital zoom again. Here's a jay. Blue jay's yelling at me. With more peanuts. I feed these animals all the time. Figured I'd do a quick walk. The sun is coming up over there, so might be a little flashed out or whatever. But there you go. For the price point, you can't go wrong with this. My daughter, when she was younger, she wanted a camcorder so she could YouTube. She had these little pet shops, and she'd make them dance in front of the thing. All kinds of stuff. I'm sure they don't have little pet shops anymore. I am old. My daughter's 20 now. So yeah, that's the fun. But I wanted to have this recording so you could actually see how this looked as I walked. Obviously, you're probably not going to always be doing that. You'll be at a game or something and recording. A lot of people stand still to zoom as I'm walking. But I saw a bee. Let's see if I can get the bee on here. Anyways, flash back out. And there you go. A little bit of country out here, right? A little open area. But I wanted to show you that. I think that's good enough though. Alright, so the price point, can't go wrong. So under $100. Not too many camcorders are going to be like that. With decent quality and a good picture. Catch you guys later. So anyways, that's the camcorder from Walmart. For the price point, can't go wrong. It's a pretty good deal. It was $90. $90, 4K resolution, taking pictures and everything. Such a beautiful day out. Sorry, I keep looking all around. Flowers and stuff. And I get distracted easily. But can't go wrong with that camcorder. $90 Walmart. Campark. Such a great deal. Talk to you guys later.